I'm ready to retire, but I'm not. I got a brand new shop
Right.
to work in. These students are amazing. And, one anecdote is that we had at Portland Community College, we've got a lot of services that makes us, I think, a super cool college. But our job placement specialist came in and she was doing her song and dance up there. And she's like, well, who's used my services? And I had one kid raise his hand. I mean, he just graduated from high school the year before. And he was like, oh, yeah, I did. I went to that career fair. And then, oh, by the way, I met Frank Manning at the career fair, who's the president of Diversified Marine. And, oh, by the way, I worked for him as a welder last summer. And oh, yeah, I made $15,000. And I'm barely 19. Oh, by the way, 15K, and I'm barely 19. And he's welding up master butts, where the ship goes apart. It's not going to be very fun, right? So
right.
He had the skill, and when I had him in class, he's doing amazing work, and all of that time and that effort that he put in is this ROI. It's ROI, baby.